Where's the swimming pool?
It's a nice day today. Reception, owners club, indoor area.
How long is the football?
I think it's an hour.
Look cold.
Good morning, Funworks.
It opens at 9 o'clock.
Don't book the 9 o'clock slot because you can't get in till 9, so you lose a little bit of time. They're not even open for the arcade yet.
Waste of time.
It's a waste. Tell them, mate.
Waste of time.
Wasting their time.
Wasting their time.
There's a swimming pool.
I know. The slot should start from 9:15 really to make it fair. Give you time to get in, get dressed. Not at 9 o'clock and you can't even get in.
Never rush if you book 9 o'clock.
Never rush.
It's opening!
Woo!
Yes, finally. Finally.
We can see our lights are on.
I think someone didn't mess up the times.
Money.
Oh no, money.
On the dot. Fall into the arcade. Let's get some in. And we're off swimming this morning. No,
Are they just toilets?
I think so.
People in here.
Oh wow. Very nice. Go, go, go. Oh, there's music in here too. That's cool. Go on. Good? That good? Yeah, just put it on the side. Ready?
I'm ready for football.
Football! Huh?
You go walk.
Are you alright?
Didn't fall down. Oh, you put your mouth on your nose inside.
Okay. Did you pack everything?
This is a game of skill. Try to get the right speed.
Yeah, we're not swimming because we're doing the inflatables.
What do you mean inflatable?
Is that inflatables in the water?
Like
Is that an obstacle course in the water?
Dad.
Is that good?
Yeah. Dad.
Yeah. Nice and easy. Stay steady. You okay? You fall off? Did you fall off? Where is she? Did she not get up?
Yeah.
Go over to the lights on and see if you can climb on. Oh, there you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Is good? Is that good? I got ya. Well done. You did really good. Where's Lil gone? Woo! Well done. Look at your hands. Be careful. Nice and steady. Hold on tight. Where's Lil gone?
Because she helped me.
Where's your flip? Well done, Lil. Is that good? Is that good? Going on. Wait for Lily at the top. Wait for Lil. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Wait for Lil. You're gonna wait for Lily. You're gonna wait for Lily. Oh, she's coming over. Couldn't stop. Is that good fun, guys?
That's right.
Is that good fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ah, cool. Right, you ready to go? You go back to the caravan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that good fun though, Lil? Yeah? Are you okay? You on the ladder? It's our last night, so we're going out with a bang.
So can I sleep on the sofa?
We'll see.
But we can,
Have you got the pounds? You got both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then you chose over the last night and you got one more.
Oh, maybe you have to go out this way then. That's why the door's open. You come out this way. I don't know where we are. We'll go all the way around in the cold. Charming. Oh, and you're back here. So that's another entrance by Cook's Restaurant.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.